This is Yeamin. Welcome to my channel. In this video you will learn how to link JavaScript with HTML. You can see this screen. This is my index.html file and this is my main.js file, that means JavaScript file. Now I am going to link with JavaScript with HTML. So first, for these things I need to write script tag inside the head. Write script, 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 and inside this script tag I need to write src. Src means source. Inside the source double quotation I need to write the JavaScript file name main.js. Our JavaScript file successfully linked with HTML. Now I need to check it. For checking these things I need to go to main.javascript file, main.js file, and writing alert, curly braces, parenthesis, and double quotation. I'm writing JavaScript added, JavaScript file linked with HTML is success. Wow, HTML successfully. Now I need to check that is linked with successfully or not. For these things I need to open this HTML file with live server. Open it. You can see that this is the pop-up alert, JavaScript file link with HTML successfully. Wow, this way you can link JavaScript in HTML file.